Hello, hi. My name is Aditya and today we are going to see how to fill a screen with a rectangle on sparkar. So if you are new to the channel, this is my second channel, Arrow Community, where I post videos about tutorials and other stuff. And my first channel is Arrow Patel, so I would recommend if you will like gaming and good content videos, funny videos and stuff, you should check it out. And if you're in here for tutorials, you can subscribe to this channel. So let's get right into it. As you can see, this is a Spark AR new file. This is a blank file actually, and we are going to see how to fix rectangles to the screen. So the thing is, so what we are going to do is, first of all we will add a new canvas and we are going to add a rectangle. Okay, so we have a rectangle here, as you can see, and now what we are going to do is we are going to expand it so it fixes the screen. But the thing about this is, if you change this to resizable window, things go somewhat out of the box. You don't want this blank area, right? You want this to fit here, and you can try all this relative maybe and convert this to 100. You can try everything you want. If I change the dimensions of the window, it changes everything. I tried even downloading. So what we are going to do is, first of all we will add a material so we can see clearly. Create new material. Okay, we have a material 0. Add new texture, or what we can do is just put a color like yellow, so or red maybe, so we can clearly see. Okay, this is basic stuff. I hope you know this before making any filter. So we can reduce opacity, and we don't want this blank, we don't want this gap. So what we are going to do is, the easiest way I found out is that go to show patch editor. First of all, this is always a resizable window and we don't want this gap. Okay, we want this rectangle, we want any element to fit this rectangle. So what the first thing that we are going to do is add the device. Okay, so we are going to take the screen size here and screen scale, and we are going to use that to make the dimensions of this rectangle. Okay, so first of all we want the unpack patch. This is the most useful patch I have found, and we want to convert this to vector 2. Vector 2 means now we have only two values here. So we take the screen size and join it here. So now we have X output and Y output. Okay, so now we want to convert this to fixed. Fixed means now we are entering pixel values like 100. So it converts to 100 pixels width, and we want this to be fixed, and we want to create a patch for both of these. This is the easiest solution I can give you. And just take the X value and put it here, take the Y value and put it here. If anything goes wrong, you can just put the multiplier or divider patch, and now this is we can just change this, and for any dimensions we are getting the exact size rectangle, and we can change this to resizable window. And now if you change this, the rectangle shape changes, and if we increase, there are no blanks anywhere. So I hope this was useful. I have made a few filters and I have uploaded them to Instagram, so if you want you can just type Aditya Patel 1704, which is my username on Instagram. Just enter the username in the explore effects page on Instagram and you can see all the filters that I have made, and I would appreciate it if you follow me on Instagram. I think that's it. I'm going to post more tutorials and art and other stuff on this channel, so if you want you can subscribe. If you want me to find out other things like how to change color and how to make a video on all that, you can ask me in the comments. I might make a video or explain in short. This was a very short tutorial, but it was really important. I think that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.